Hello, Mike Charles here, and I'm at the Museum of Nature in Ottawa. And I'm in the dinosaur exhibit, and I have a brochure. So, this is a dinosaur bone. This is... that's not funny. It's a bone. That's bigger than my arm. It's big. That is big. That up there, that's big too. Everything is huge because they're all dinosaurs. Birds or feathered dinosaurs? Well, I'll tell you what this guy is. This guy right here, he's a kung fu master. And then the guy behind him, that guy, he's a skeleton. He's dead. And he's a kung fu master. That's what he is. The whole museum is loud. All loud. Then this guy right here, he needs a dentist appointment. Dentist appointment. Who knows what lurks in those teeth or that throat or whatever. Okay. Okay. Oh no, he's gonna murder us all. This is pretty high definition or high graphic or high model, whatever it is. That's pretty cool. This guy right here, he's retarded. I mean, look at that. Look how little teeth he has, and he's retarded. He is retarded. His brain is probably up in one of those horns somewhere. He's retarded. Now we're in the water section, and there's some things over here. There's starfish. And then there's some spiky things. More starfish. Little shell things. There's a slug right there. Anemones. There's something there. Ew, it threw up. Ew, that's disgusting. Oh, what that's a crab right there, I think. Or a hermit crab because there's red fins. I saw it move. This is awesome. I've never seen any of these animals before. We are now in the mammal section, and it is much quieter than all the other sections. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. It's trying to eat something. It's nice. Look at it. It wants to eat something. What does it want to eat? It wants to eat Celios. New brand of cereal. The two Arctic hares are hiding themselves in the snow perfectly, other than the fact that they're pooing everywhere they go. It's kind of disgusting when you think about it, but I don't think about it much, so onward! Now we are in the earth proportion of the museum, and it is very quiet. I am so happy, and we're looking at rocks and minerals and shiny things. And shiny things. Pretty cool. So colorful. Yellow is my favorite color. It's nice. It's nice. It is nice. And I think fool's gold is up there on that top shelf somewhere. Just looks it. So thanks for watching my trip to the Museum of Nature. So, subscribe, do that stuff, leave comments below, and if you ask me what my rating of this museum would be, it would be probably 9 out of 10. The extra 1 point was given away by lighting at some places and loudness. But, yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, do that stuff, and